Properties of division. So students, today we will start the properties of division. What are the properties of division? What all things are necessary before learning about division or doing the division sums? Firstly, it is when a number is divided by 1, we get the same number as the quotient. हम जब किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो जो नंबर आता है वो हमेशा सेम नंबर आता है जिससे हमने 1 को डिवाइड किया है एज आर कोशेंट। मतलब जो आंसर आएगा वो हमेशा वही आएगा जिस नंबर को हमने 1 से डिवाइड किया है। लेट्स टेक वन एग्जाम्पल। 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 1. 4 divided 1 is equals to 4. Now if you want to check it out, you can check it out also, like factors are 4 into 1, that is the product will be 4. Now this is the product, this is one factor, and we got the third factor, so our answer is correct. 4 divided by 1 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 1 is equals to 4. So whatever you will divide, when you will divide by 1 any number, you will get the same number. One more example is there. 5 divided by 1, that is equals to 5. You can check. 5 multiplied by 1 is equals to 5. Two factors and we got the product. Here it is the product and the digit and the factor, and you got the another factor. So this is the first thing, that when a number is divided by 1, we get the same number as the quotient. Now moving on the second, when a number is divided by itself, we get 1 as the quotient. जब भी हम किसी नंबर को उसी सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास हमेशा क्या आएगा, आंसर 1 आएगा। सी 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. अगेन इफ यू वांट टू चेक, 1 इंटू 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 5. 4 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 4. सो देयर इज अ सेम थिंग. Now moving on to a second property, that is when we divide 0 by any number, we get 0 as the quotient. जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें वापस वही डिजिट मिलेगा, 0 ही मिलेगा, कोई और डिजिट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हम जब भी 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं किसी चीज़ को तो आंसर हमेशा 0 ही आएगा. द सेम सिचुएशन इज़ विद मल्टीप्लिकेशन. यू कैन चेक इट. 0 multiplied by or if you take this as 0 multiplied by 5 is equals to also 0. So in this the second situation statement is not getting, but 5 divided by 0 is equals to 5. 0 divided by 4 is equals to also 0. Here these were the properties. Now what we studied in our next class before that, how to divide and get the dividend or multiply. So we are doing the sums regarding that. Let's solve some questions. Check your answers by multiplication. The first question is check your answer by multiplication. What we have did, that we got the dividend, divisor and the quotient. It is these three things are being given to you. 49 divided by 7 is equals to 7. Now the question is saying that you have to check this. आपको इसको चेक करना है कि ये सही है या नहीं. कैसे करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करके. क्या है इसमें फैक्टर्स अभी बताए थे मैंने आपको क्या होते हैं. 7 and 7 आर द फैक्टर्स एंड दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. इफ वी सी एज पर द मल्टीप्लीकेशन पर्पस, सो 7 into 7 that is equals to 49. 7 sevens are 49. So the product or the dividend is right. Now moving on to next example. I have taken two example. 30 divided by 5 is equals to 6. Now to check it, what we will do, we will multiply 5, the divisor and the quotient, to get the dividend. 5 6 are 30. So here is a dividend. 30 is the dividend. Here it is the 30. Now solve these 5 questions. How you have to solve? The question is given to you. Multiply the factors, the divisor and the quotient, and you will get the dividend. Divisor multiplied by quotient is equals to the dividend. So do these questions, check your answers. In the next class I will make sure I will provide you the solution. Now find the dividend. Here you have not been given the dividend, but you have to find it out by yourself. So what you will be given? The divisor and the quotient. Like first example, I have written the answers, but if you see डैश डिवाइडेड बाय 9 इज इक्वल्स टू 7. अब 9 से क्या डिवाइड किया कि 7 आया, तो हम कैसे पता चलेगा? हम 9 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लेंगे तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. सी 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 63. एज विथ डिवाइजर मल्टीप्लाई बाय क्वोशंट इज इक्वल्स टू डिविडेंड. This is a divisor, this is a quotient. We will multiply both of them. We will get the answer. That will be our dividend. Next question also I have taken. 5 is equals to 8. What we divided to 5? 5 was divided by what that we got 8. So again what we will do? 5 into 8, that is 40. So 40 divided by 5. 8 5s are 40. So this is divisor multiply by quotient. We will get the dividend. So here another 5 questions that you have to do. Do it properly in your rough copies. You will get the solutions. Students, do learn tables, because in maths without tables you will not be able to do any chapter, any topic. Learn the tables thoroughly, revise them daily, recite them daily.